441 south of Gainesville.
Go slow right there by that sign. Show them where we at. Payne Prairie State Reserve. It's pretty going in here, isn't it?
Yep. Good looking woods. You can't see fur out there. Cause they thick woods. Got them palmetto palms everywhere. Little low running palm trees.
It's pretty in here though.
Beautiful in here. We seen a good 8-point buck right along in here the last time we was here.
Did we?
Yep. Somewhere right along in here. Keep filming, just don't turn it on the guard while I'm talking to you.
Okay. You want me to stop it?
What was that? All right, how are you?
Good.
Checking in, yes sir.
All right, what's the name?
Mike Colmetz,
Douglas.
Douglas
Douglas
Colmetz,
All right.
Kolmetz. Right here, I think it is. Yeah. What side was it moving?
Did you get my phone?
No, I ain't got your phone.
Look, whatever.
That's it right on time, man.
Yep, I think that's it. Have you guys seen it before?
Yeah.